So, what about Mothership? Mothership is a role-playing game made by Tuesday Night Games, and it's a sci-fi horror RPG, and it's awesome. And what do you do in Mothership? Well, you play through these adventures. As this one, The Year of the Rat, written by Owen O'Donnell, and art by Lettuce, or maybe play Bloom. Written, layout and illustrations by Daniel Hallinan, edited by Simone Wilcott. It looks awesome. I bought this as a PDF and then printed it, same with The Year of the Rat. Or you play in one of the included adventures, which you get when you buy the deluxe box, as I did, like Another Bug Hunt, which is awesome, or A Pound of Flesh. A lot of good content in this box. And the great thing about Mothership, the game obviously, but the community, it's great. People are creating just a lot of things. But this isn't a review about Mothership. It's awesome. I love Mothership, and I also like to create things. So I create things for Mothership. And one of the things I've created is this. TechRot. A little setting pamphlet about why our world came to shit through AI and technology. And I'm not going to talk about that too much now. Oh, I need to show you one thing. There it is. TechRot. You can buy it there. Drive-through RPG. All these pretty things that I want. And if I scroll down, oh, what is that? Most popular on under $5 Mothership titles, TechRot. The community is great. Like, people in this community create things like overflowing with good products and just being the most helpful and cheerful and nice people ever. So yeah, I wanted to create some things for Mothership as well, of course, and I want to show you the process behind it, and that's what I'm thinking with these videos. Short glimpses of what I create and how I do it. They won't be tutorials. I am by no means an expert at what I'm doing. I'm just doing stuff. So yeah, jump right in. Oh, get away, you beautiful guy. So this is the thing I'm making right now. It's an app for audio and lighting for Mothership. We use a lot of these LED tubes when we play board games and role-playing games. And they are great, but I wanted to make some more. I wanted to make it a little bit more dynamic, so I created this app, or I'm building it right now. And I want to show you how it works, what I can do with it. And as you can see, the scenes that just play audio for now, so I can put on a shuttle. Well, and there you go. It's a shuttle going through the atmosphere, I guess. Or maybe you're stuck in an industry. And that's pretty cool. That, of course, is not breakthrough on tabletop engineering. What is fun here is that I can mix it with lighting. And if I move the camera about there, you see that I have some RGB lighting are connected through DMX to this, an Antec DMX USB Pro DMX 512, as in 512 channels per universe, and there's one universe in this little box, and that is connected through USB to the computer, and that allows me to do something like. And the real cool things happen in the dynamic scenes. So there might be a storm brewing with some rain maybe, and there's a lot of wind. And the rain might ease off, and so does the wind. There's just the eerie sound of lightning striking. Or maybe you wake up from cryosleep from a long time traveling through space, and your cryopod opens up, but something's wrong. An alarm goes off. And of course, you could have some music for your scenes. Maybe you're stuck in a derelict spaceship. You hear something scraping through the hall. the door in front of you opens and you see, and then you mute it all. It didn't work. Okay. And so that is the basics of my app, and I'm building this app in a program called Touch Designer, and I won't go into the details how it works right now. I just give you a little glimpse of how it looks. It's a node-based system. As you can see here, all the green lines are connectors between the nodes, and I'm currently working on making it more readable. I'm making all the buttons follow the same naming pattern and coloring them. These are not colors that will be seen in the UI, but just for the backend to have a little bit more control and oversight of what I'm doing. It uses Python a lot to make expressions, and you can, for an example, the yellow nodes here are buttons which feeds audio through this green connector to this bus that I've created. It's just a node that adds up all the incoming data, and it then sends that audio into a mixer for all the music, sends its audio into a pre-duck mixer, which is a mixer that will lower the volume of all the music, one-shots and scenes when there's something playing that should be heard clearly, as like the audio from a module. And in the end of this line there's a little error. That's because I haven't put on the right audio device, but it all ends up in this audio device out, which is the audio that goes out through my speakers. And the same thing goes for the lighting fixtures. Everything goes from left to right. Here I got my lighting scenes, and those are added together and then splitted between the light fixtures, and they are here. So I got 4 light fixtures. That information is sent to the DMX output controller, which is this one. So here I can see 4 channel for each light fixture. So there's 4 channel, there's master, red, green and blue, and that is sent to a node which occupies a universe, which is 512 channels, and that is then sent to the DMX output. And that one is connected to, if you look here at the interface, the NTech USB Pro MK2. Then that would be this little fella. And yeah, there we go. I think that was everything I wanted to show you in this short little video, and hopefully I will make more. I will show you a little bit more about this project and other projects I'm working with, my modules, and yeah, I want to show you my place. I have a little office, and also I have a screen printing studio shared with a guy called Tarek. So I might film that, and I share this place with a friend of mine, a photographer, Nicholas. I share the other place with other friend of mine who's called Tarek, who is a 3D printer, and maybe I'll show you that next time.